Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add labels to Trello cards. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add labels to your Trello cards. Like for my example, the labels on my Trello cards are basically sponsorships or call to actions for my specific videos. And so with these labels, in order to add these labels, all you've got to do is click onto a card, and then you're going to click to where it says labels. So click on the plus icon for a label, and you could actually go ahead and edit the color of the label. You could add multiple labels. You could even give text to the label as well. And you could even create a new label right over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add labels to Trello cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.